Meaning of in-goal area.
In-goal area.
In-goal area.
In-goal area.
In-goal area. In-goal area is a term used in rugby to describe the area at each end of the field that is behind the goal line and stretches to the dead ball line. When a player carrying the ball crosses the opposition's goal line and touches the ball down to the ground, it results in a try being scored. The area outside this zone is known as the field of play. In-goal areas are critical to the game and provide opportunities for players to score points by grounding the ball within its boundaries, while opponents aim to prevent them from doing so.